Pilot, what are you doing? Hey, give me that baby. Give it to me. Give me that baby. Good boy. Give it to me. You gonna bite me? You gonna bite Daddy? Come here. Let me see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Come see your daddy. Yeah. 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 Sit. Gotta sit. Would you sit for daddy? Sit. You're a good boy. Look at that. You're a good boy. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Is that him? No, there it is. There's your baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me look at you. Get over here. Get over here, Pie. What do you want to do? What do you want to do, Pilot? Pilot? What do you want to do? Pilot, what do you want to do? You want a cookie? You didn't hear the C word? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? Pilot, what? What do you want to do? Did you forget? What? What do you want to do? You my good boy? You a good boy? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Oh, what? Do you want to have a treat? Do you want to go outside? What do you want to do? You want to go see Mommy? What do you want to do? You want a treat, don't you? I can tell. You're a mess. Anybody tell you you're a mess? Anybody ever tell you you're a mess? Thank God you're cute. Thank God you're cute. You think you might be a little one-way dog? Huh? You think? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? What? What are you doing? You speak? Oh, you sneezed. Come see Daddy. Daddy's got too much time on his hands playing with a damn dog. Yes. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You my pumpkin? You my pumpkin? Yeah, you are.